how do you stay on your cutting edge?
Like a business or like of marketing or of like peak
Let's
performance, physical health?
yeah, what's your workout routine? Uh, no, let's stick with like business and also personal, because obviously your personal life affects it. But what do you do to make sure that you're always on your game? Because at this level, when you're having this much success, it's hard to keep that momentum rolling.
It's between systemizing my life, my schedule, and like having my executive assistant come in and help me organize my calendar and my life so that I can manage the things that I'm good at. That's like a huge thing. And then we're at the size now, we got about 186 staff. We're hiring really good talent with people with experience with other large industries. And for me, I kind of look at it as a double-edged, like there's two benefits for me. Like obviously they come in and they can hit the ground rolling, but then also there's a big opportunity for me to learn from these people who've walked the walk in the past, whether that's reading books or going through a mentorship program or being able to hire somebody that's done something amazing and being able to learn from them. I think it all just comes down to that constant desire to learn. And I'm not like a self-help junkie. I've gone through that phase in my life where I read all these books trying to be a better version of myself. But now it's more, what am I currently struggling with that's causing me some sort of either overwhelm, anxiety, or grief and instead of just brushing it aside, how do I address that? And how do I get it out of my life? Do I learn how to solve the problem and go through it? Or do I learn how to avoid whatever's causing it, go around it? Or do I find somebody else who's a pro at fixing it? And do I like bring in a contractor to smash that block out of the road and just walk over top of the rubble? I'm just taking out whatever the current pain or the current struggle is one block at a time. And for me, that's what's allowing me to grow and move forward at a pace that probably makes some people feel sick, myself included. If you like this video, make sure you leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe. And if you have a question, make sure to leave it in the comments and I will do my best to get back to you and help you get through this.